All right, let's get into it. Today we're talking about a really fun, heroic 3D stacking game called Rhino Hero.
So, what's it all about? Well, your job is to help Rhino Hero, who's this awesome superhero trying to climb a super wobbly skyscraper. It's a quick game, a ton of fun, and yeah, it can get pretty nerve-wracking.
And in this quick guide, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to play. That way you can get straight to building and, maybe collapsing a few towers right away. So, what are you actually trying to do? What's the main goal here?
It's actually pretty simple. You're just trying to be the first player to get rid of all your roof cards. You do that by placing them on the tower, and whoever runs out of cards first, well, they're the winner.
Okay, let's get this thing set up. Don't worry, it's super quick and easy.
It's really just 3 quick steps. First, we'll place the foundation. Then, we'll deal out the roof guards, and finally, we'll get the supply piles ready to go. First things first, grab that foundation card and pop it right in the middle of the table. You'll notice it's double-sided. One side is a little easier, and the other's for you expert builders out there. Just pick whichever one you're feeling today. All right, next up, the roof cards. It depends on how many people are playing. If you've got 3 to 5 players, everyone gets 5 cards. But if it's just the 2 of you, you'll each get 7. And for the last step, just take any leftover roof cards, put them face down, that's your draw pile. Then, put all the folded wall pieces in another pile nearby. Oh, and of course, make sure our star, Rhino Hero, is ready for action.
Okay, setup is done. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about what you actually do on your turn. So when it's your turn, your whole job is to build the next floor of the skyscraper. You'll grab some walls from the supply and then place one of the roof cards from your hand right on top.
Every single turn has 2 basic parts. First, build the walls. Second, place your roof. That's it. So, for that first part, building the walls, you need to look at the roof card that's already on top of the tower. See those lines? That's exactly where you need to place the new walls. Just grab them from the supply, fold them, and line them up. Okay, once your walls are up, it's time to place your own roof card. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because a lot of these cards have special symbols on them that mess with the next player. Let's go through what they all do.
First up, you might see these arrows. This one's simple. It just reverses the direction of play. So if turns were going to the left, now they go to the right. Just a heads up, in a 2-player game, this one doesn't really do anything.
And then there's this one, the exclamation point. This means the next player in line gets skipped. Tough luck for them. Play just jumps right over to the next person. So simple, but so good.
See this +1 symbol? This is a sneaky one. It means the next player has to draw an extra card from the pile before they can even start building their turn. And since the goal is to get rid of cards, this makes their life a little harder.
Now, the double roof. This is the one you want to see. When you play this, you get to put a second roof card from your hand right on top of it immediately. No new walls needed in between. It's an awesome way to burn through your hand fast.
And last but not least, the Rhino Hero symbol. When you play this card, the very next player has a dangerous job. They have to carefully pick up the Rhino Hero piece from wherever it is and move it to the spot shown on your card before they build the next floor. Let me tell you, this is when things get really shaky.
So you're building and building, the tower's getting taller, but how does it all end? How do you win or lose?
Well, there are actually 3 ways this can wrap up. The best way? You play your very last roof card. If you do that successfully, you're the hero. You win, instantly. The second way, not so great. The tower comes crashing down. The player who made it fall loses. Then, out of everyone else, the player with the fewest roof cards left is the winner. And then there's a third, really cool way. If you manage to use up every single wall piece in the game, you all win together as a team.
All right, before I let you go, I've got one really important tip for you. It's super simple, but it makes a huge difference.
Here it is. You are allowed to use both hands when you're stacking. Seriously, don't try to be a daredevil and do it with one hand. Use both hands to keep that tower nice and steady.
And that's really all there is to it. That's how you play Rhino Hero. It's all about having a steady hand, playing your cards smart, and hoping for a little luck. So now the only question is, how high can you build it before it all comes tumbling down?